Stick around to get this look. Starting out by using a concealer to get an even base. I decided to show the palette today, so you can see the colors all together. I started with this rusty warm brown to complement the warm tones and the gold on the lid. Using a warm dark brown to add depth to the outer corner and to darken the look. Building back up more of the warmth. Skin tone shade to highlight the brow bone. This looks like nail polish. It's not, I promise. This cream eyeshadow dries down and doesn't stay wet. Look down while it dries so it doesn't dry creased. I decided to lightly press this lighter gold over it so I could use it to soften the edges of the cream eyeshadow. Blending out the edge of the cream shadow. Time to repeat it on the other eye. This stuff is so sparkly and beautiful. Using a sticky primer to help the makeup last all day. I'm between shades, but these two mixed are an exact match to my neck. Using a matte concealer on the nose really helps with my makeup staying on my nose. If I don't do this, it just slides off. Mixing a glowy base in with my foundation is a game changer. It looks so much nicer. It makes it a little thinner so it blends out really fast and doesn't look heavy. Blend out any creases before setting. I press in more powder where I crease or get oily. Dust away any extra powder. Bronzing up, keeping it higher. If you bring it to low, it can look dirty or like you have a beard. Not the vibe. I'm naturally pretty fair, so if I don't add bronzer, I look ghostly, which is fine, but it doesn't look good on me. I'm mixing blushes because I just love blush. I press it on, blending it with the bronzer. I used a highlight with a soft gold tone to complement the eyes. Setting my face to melt the powders. Framing the lash line with the crease color. If you don't do this, just give it a try. It looks so good on everyone. Back in with that gold cream shadow for the inner half of the lash line. It's so shiny and pretty. Lightly filling in my brows for more definition. They need tinted. This brow wax is so good. My brows stay exactly where I want them all day. Since this is a darker look, I went with a black eyeliner. I just used mascara, but this look would be so pretty with a thin strip lash. I don't have any subtle lashes, or I'd add one. I paired this look with a nude pink that's close to my lip shade, but a little more pink. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.